Anyway, we are at the Four Seasons Lodge. We're gonna go snow tubing and we're waiting for some friends. Let's go get our snow tubes. It's our snow tube. Oh, that's hers. I'm gonna be using this one. Look at all the stuff that they have up. So we're waiting for some friends before we head up on the mountain. But it's very windy outside, so I don't know how much videoing we're gonna do. But we'll try. Anyway, so I'm gonna get dressed. She's gonna get dressed. And let's see, because it's like 40 degrees outside, and I'm surprised there's not like a million people outside already. But we'll see. So even though it's very warm out, it's very windy. Everything's melting. Everybody goes cross-country skiing around here. There's tons of trails. Beautiful landscaping. Very windy right now. Kaylee's gonna run up to the top of the hill. That's where we're going down. It doesn't look like much, but when you come down, it definitely goes fast. So see you when we get back down. If you can look very closely up that hill, Kaylee's getting ready. This is her first time going down this hill this year. We usually go every year, quite often. Here she comes. Ah! Not that bad. It's not as fast as it usually is. It's bumpy. I think it's because of all the people that decided to walk on the trail instead of let it be. Well, the more we go down today, the better it's gonna be. So let's do it again. All right, Kaylee's right there in her tube. I'm over here in mine. There's Canada. We're gonna go down. Ready? All right, let's go. She's holding on. Come on, you gotta help. Okay. Oh no. That was tight. Ow. Okay, let's pause the video. Oh my god, it's so windy. Oh my god. Look at your ears. Oh my god. That's probably why there's nobody here. Oh, my camera's upside down. Whoops. Whoops. Let's flip it back. It's so windy. Ah! Well, we need to catch our breath because coming up and down that hill, it doesn't look like a hill right now on the camera. Man. Do that 3 or 4 times. Get out of breath. Oh, look how bad the owl looks. It's been sitting there every winter the past couple years. Okay. Oh, don't go down. All right, we're gonna go this time, but not connected together. We're gonna go separately. I'll go first. And she'll go behind. But next time she'll go forward so you can see her going down. Okay. You ready for this? I don't know if I am. I'm kind of scared. Let's do it anyway. Let's go. Don't drop the phone. How crazy the sky is though. Look, it looks like it's gonna storm out, but it's like 40 degrees. Maybe it'll rain and then everything's gonna turn to ice. You fixing your boat? Yeah. Man, we're gonna or we might go down. Ah! Wait, okay. Signal. There she goes. And I'm gonna go down too. Okay, I'm going down. I'm going down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, we're gonna hit you. Oh shoot. Oh god. I'm going to. I'm all zoomed in. Hello. 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 Okay. Hello, friends. Hello. Hi, friends. Ah. We went upstairs. It's really fun. It's really windy today, though.
Where's the hill?
Shelby. Kaylee was trying to scare you. Okay, let's go back. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do this. Kaylee, come this way so I can get a nice shot of them. And picture. Okay. Push. Shell, you can push Kaylee. No, there she goes. Why do you look so meta-boo? What are you doing? She's usually screaming up a storm. Look at you go!
Oh, God.
Oh, my camera's upside down. No.
Oh, my God.
I'm going. Oh, I'm spinning already. Oh no. Woo-hoo! All right. I slowed down. I slowed down on the hill. I hit the deep snow. Oh no. Let's go back. Let's go, 10. Oh, her first time. You gotta push. Here she comes. Here she comes. She gonna hit the snow like me? Ah, that slows you down. It slows you down when you hit right there. You're good. You're good. It's scary, but it doesn't hurt when you bump together.
I was trying to make you.
Here she comes. See, why do we keep hitting that? We're gonna have to angle ourselves the other way. Woohoo!
Oh my God!
Oh, right by it. Woohoo! It's hard to get up.
Oh, it's hard. Mom.
You gotta roll, chum. Roll out of there.
Did she actually roll?
Yeah, she rolled. She slid over the side. Yeah. Okay, let's do it again. I'm stuck in the hole. It's. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. There she's going. Shelby fell down. No. That's awesome. 1, 2. Oh, you hit it. Woohoo! 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 And done. That wasn't bad though. Now you gotta come all the way back. Oh. Wait, I can't get you. I can't get you. Punch him. Punch him. Oh my God. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Oh, we hit the tree.
Okay. Can I sit?
Yeah, boogies in Shelby, I'm stuck.
Yes, so am I.
Wait, let's see. Can I turn this camera? Hey, what you just told me?
Remind me.
You want me to ride? You want me to take that and pull you up the hill?
Yes.
Is that what you want to? No.
Wow, Kaylee.
Because let me tell you, the minute that
dork.
what? You're the dork.
High five, man, dude.
Hey, let's all bust our butts and go back up there.
Mom.
Snow again? Ew. Oh, here comes Miss Tammy. No! We were all stuck right here. It was funny.
She still hasn't even
yeah.
gotten up.
You know what she told me? She wants me to bring her all the way up the hill like that.
Oh, no. No, not today. today. No.
Not today.
I mean, you guys how long your hair is.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going. Let's go. Pull me. Oh no! No!
Okay, Kaylee's going for her last run. Maybe she might go one more time. I'm not sure if she can make it again. Miss Tammy's going. We're all pooped. We've gone so many times, we're all pooped. Right, Shell? Are you gonna go one more time? No, you're done? I think it's time for Tim Hortons. Where's some hot cocoa?
I've gone 12 times.
You're gonna get a snack?
Yeah.
Oh, you can get a snack. I can't eat anything there except the yogurt.
I've got
Yeah, I know. We went so many times there. I'm pooped. Okay, Miss Tammy's gonna go down, and then we're gonna get going to Tim Hortons. I need a drink. Okay, you ask your mom. Now the kids want to go to McDonald's because they want ice cream. I don't know why they want ice cream. I just want something cold. That's not ice cream. Believe it or not, with all the snow around, we're hot, not freezing. Yeah, Miss Tammy! Last run of the year.
Not again!
Are you okay?
Yeah. Miss Tam, they want ice cream. They don't want Tim Hortons.
You don't want Timmy's?
They want ice cream at McDonald's.
Okay.
I don't want ice cream, but I'll get something to drink. Oleo, Rolo.
Pasta.
Yeah, we can do Rolo. You could do Rolo. Okay, let's go get some treats. Hi, Kaylee.
Say hi, Minnie.
What'd you get?
Show Minnie what you're doing.
Rolo. What kind? Oh, cancel. I was trying to get the Wi-Fi connected. A Rolo. Rolo ice cream, French fries, and soda. Shelby, what kind did you get? Mindy's talking. Shelby's talking to Mindy now. M&M. Mommy got an ice cap. Oh, ouch. That didn't feel good, huh?
Ice cream, fries.
And fries, and you dip it in. Nice. Okay. Well, we're going home after this, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
You do something with his hands. What does he do?
No.
Show me what Monk does.
Okay.
Okay, we're ready.
What happened to me?
What does Monk do with his hands?
You say, you don't put your hair in your face.
No.
Or your hair.
You can tell we don't watch it as often.
Monk doesn't like.
Does he go like this?
No.
Okay.
I can't. Okay.
Is there a Monk on Netflix?
No, Monk plays on channel 72. I don't know what that is. We TV. Yeah. What does Monk do?
And
Does he go like this to everything?
Oh yeah, he touches everything.
Oh my god.
I touch it. Stop.